Hello dear students. Today we will start with the next chapter, that is about geographical grid, latitudes and longitudes. Okay. So first we need to understand that what is geographic grid. Here you can see the figure. Here you can see the imaginary lines of longitude as well as the latitude. When longitude and latitude they intersect and they form a block like structure, this is known as grid. A system of imaginary arcs drawn in grid pattern on Earth's surface. It divides Earth's surface into longitude and latitude. Longitude is the distance or east or west of meridian, and longitude is the distance of north and south of meridian. Okay. Next is about latitude and longitudes. What is latitude? Latitude is the angular distance of a place north or south of the Earth's equator. See, from Earth's equator, it's an angular distance of a place from north and south of Earth's equator. And longitude is an imaginary line that run around Earth vertically, up and down. Okay. See, the main latitudinal lines, I'll tell you. The main latitudinal line is this one. You can see this figure here. Latitudinal lines. First one is equator, which is at 0 degree. Then Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle, North Pole and South Pole. Equator is at 0 degree. Tropic of Cancer is at 23.5 degree or 23.5 degree north. Tropic of Capricorn is 23.5 degree south. Arctic Circle is 66 degree north. And Antarctic Circle is 66.5 degree south, 66.5 degree north, 66.5 degree south. Then we have 90 degree north, 90 degree south of North and South Pole. Okay. Then see the lines of latitudes. Lines of latitudes are also sometimes called parallels of latitude. Why? Because they are parallel to each other and they are equidistant from each other, and each degree of latitude is 69 miles or 111 kilometers apart. See, the distance is 111 kilometer in between the latitude. What is its use? It is used to locate different places on Earth, and it also helps in navigation. Okay. Northern and southern hemispheres. See, this one is the northern hemisphere and this one is the southern hemisphere, which divides the surface of Earth into two equal halves. The northern hemisphere refers to the half of the planet that is in the north of the equator, and southern hemisphere is all the planet south of the equator. Now, next topic is heat zone. Heat zones are different zones of Earth where sun's rays fall differently, thus causing different climatic patterns. These zones are torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. See, you can see torrid zone here, then temperate zone and frigid zone. Means Earth is divided into 3 heat zones. Heat zones is classified on the basis of falling of sun's rays. See, torrid zone is the zone which receives the vertical rays of the sun. That is why the temperature here is very high. Then these temperate and frigid zone. Temperate zone receives the slanting radiations of the sun. Frigid zone, and here there is very light rays of the sun falling in these zones. Then here we don't have. Here the temperature is very low and we do not experience any sunlight here. Okay. Lines of longitude. I told you it's an angular distance, okay, of a point on any meridian and the prime meridian at Greenwich. Lines of longitudes are lines which joins all places having same angular distance east or west of prime meridian. There are 121 latitudes, 90 in the north and 90 in the south. Okay, coming to longitude, there are 360 longitudes. Prime meridian, including one prime meridian, 179 east, 180 degrees longitude and 179 in the west. Means there are total of 360 longitude, including one prime meridian, 179 east, 179 west, 180 longitude. Lines of longitude are also known as meridians. Lines of longitude and latitude create a grid pattern on the globe for navigation, and there are 360 lines of longitude. There are total 360 lines at an interval of 1 degree each. All meridian converge at poles. Okay, so all the meridian, they converge at the poles. See, all the meridian, they converge here near the poles. Okay, so keep revising the topics till we meet in the next video. Thank you.